Alright, this is a tutorial to get you acquainted with the tool called Flipgrid. The first thing that I did was log into the Google Classroom and go to where my teacher posted the link. So I posted the link right here. I can go ahead and click on this, and it's going to bring me directly to a sign-in page for Flipgrid. You should never have to create a new account for this. You can log in directly with your school email. So sign in with Google, choose your school email, and you should be all set to go. This will bring me to the page that I created for Life Science Hour 5, or whichever class your teacher has created for you, and the topic they want you to reply to. So as I scroll down, there's the video on this side, so I can go ahead and play this video by clicking this white play button, or I can also read the description to the side. And right here I posted the question that I want my students to answer. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? And as you continue to scroll down, you will see your classmates' answers as well as the location for you to record a response. So it's this big green and white button. If you hit record a response, a window is going to pop up. I'm going to go ahead and choose a quick filter, but now you can see that it's going to record a video of me. You can add filters, you can add text boxes, you can move all this stuff around and get creative with it. You can add emojis, all sorts of stuff. And then if I hit this record button right here, it will start recording my video. And when I want to pause it, I can pause. I can also add another part, and I can pause it again. Then, when I'm satisfied, I can hit next. And to be able to rewatch it, you can add more data, or you can continue on. Then it's going to ask you to take a selfie. This will serve as the clip for your classmates to click on and see that leads to your video, and then you can hit next. Once you're finished, it'll ask you for your name and the title, and you can submit your video by clicking this button in the bottom right hand corner. I'm just going to exit out because I don't need to post this. Then, in order to reply to a classmate, you can go to their video and watch it. And then there's this little green chat button right here that says reply. If you go ahead and hit reply, it will open another screen just like this, and then you would follow the same process to record your response. This is a website, but it's also an app, so you can go ahead and access this through the free app downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store. When you do that, it will ask you for a code, and that code that they're looking for can be found right here. Hopefully this helps, and let me know if you have any other questions.